federal.
Is this your son?
Yes, this is Tushkahumak. I'm live. Standing here, the police have invaded the property. I need all of my people to locate on this location.
That is a federal
I'm
violation.
at 5902 Winthrop Boulevard.
No, I'm not
5902 Winthrop Boulevard.
That's a federal violation. You can't do that.
We have a trespass going on, and it's live. And this is the trespasser.
I need you, excuse me, I need you to step outside the house, please.
We've asked you more than once.
I'm not going to ask anymore.
We came over here to talk to you.
Okay, I understand that. I need you to step outside my house.
Talk.
I need you. I understand that.
Let him talk. Let him talk.
But
Talk.
he doesn't have
Talk.
any right to.
Talk.
You don't have any right
I
to.
can't talk with everybody talking.
I understand, but I'm
Let's let him talk.
talking.
Let's let him talk.
I'm talking.
Let's let him
though.
talk.
I'm talking. You don't have a right. You don't have a right to walk into my house. You don't have a right to do that. No, you do not. This is tribal property. This is tribal property.
You have no jurisdiction with tribes whatsoever.
You may not know, and I'm
Yeah,
trying
buddy.
to understand you.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay.
Yep.
Please
It ain't
step
gonna be
out
a
of my house.
lawsuit.
Please step out of my house.
I'm not.
It's gonna be.
I want you to I want you outside of my house.
I'm not going to step out of your house.
Okay.
Hey,
We're not.
hey, get over here. Call the FBI right now.
You can
Call the
whatever you
FBI.
want.
You're damn right.
You don't want the FBI investigation.
Oh, yes, I do.
Your child
Yes.
made a threat, which you knew about.
Yes, I want them to investigate.
No, I did not know about. We
What do you
didn't
do?
find out until.
I'm aware. I just called the school, buddy.
Okay.
So I'm aware of what's going on.
Yeah, you know.
Right?
800.
You are totally correct. I am fully aware.
Who are you?
This-
The police don't even have any.
This is my family.
Over me, period. Over.
Call the FBI on your phone, Cabo.
It always has to be someone federal, and you are not federal.
Okay, I understand you have a side of this that you want on air.
I just don't
And
want.
you
I don't
guys
want my
handle-
rights violated. You
And
don't
we
want your rights violated. I don't want my
Absolutely. We
rights
also don't want
violated.
anybody hurt
I
about the
understand
threat
that.
your
I
son
understand
did,
that. I
right?
understand that 100%.
So you would want us to protect your son.
I understand that 100%.
Don't talk to her. Don't talk to her.
But you just don't have the right to welcome yourself into my property. You violated. You
Well, that's your
violated
take
my
on
rights.
it.
It's
That's
not
your
my
side of it.
take. It's not
And
my
that would be
take.
for a
Where
judge,
where's
right?
I have
Decide.
booklets that will show you this.
Okay.
You're in violation, man.
Well, then I guess you're gonna sue me, right?
No, I'm going to make sure you go to jail and lose that
I
badge.
guess you're gonna maybe go to jail.
Mm-hmm.
But right now,
You ain't gonna be gangster.
you gotta allow us to do what we think is right.
What you think is right.
And just and safe.
We are Native Americans. You don't have any. You don't have any. Okay, well I'm trying to let you know
That your
you're
law has no
violating my
jurisdiction
rights.
here.
I'm trying to explain that to you. That you're violating my rights.
All we have right now is a bunch of people yelling on the street.
I know that. I understand. I'm not screaming and I'm not yelling.
We need to secure it, so we need more
Man,
guards.
wait, you already
Excuse
did.
me?
They got as many as they're coming.
So
You feel me? Like,
all we're trying to do is talk to you, and all of a sudden you got
I
courage
don't
once
care.
they came
It
over.
wasn't
you
even
started
that,
to
because I
yell.
told you. I said,
You
this
were
wasn't even my
cooperating the
crib.
first part of
It
it.
wasn't. I said, listen, bro,
You-
this
you
ain't
were
this.
great.
I'm not the homeowner, gang. You said, I still gotta walk through. I still gotta walk. I said, don't walk through they shit.
I would think
You start
I would
walking.
think that-
So I said, all right, I'm calling. You seen me. I was gangster about it. I said, I'm calling.
Gangster?
I don't want to hear about it. Gangster, man.
How do you know he was? You weren't here.
I was here. I left flat out. That's all I could. Gangster about
And
it.
it doesn't
Because it
even
wasn't
that's
an issue before you
because
guys got
but
here.
that
You
wasn't
can
even
talk to us
because
about this. We can explain it, but every time we start talking,
We don't wanna
you
hear it.
interrupt us. So-
I'd like to.
that's
I'd like to hear what he's got to say. I
That's
want.
not true. I am listening.
I want
can't
to film it
listen.
all. I want it all on tape. I want for all the people to
So
see.
be all on the report and all on your tape, and
We don't
you can seek the justice you want afterwards.
And we can, and they can
So,
see this too.
That's fine.
We can.
Okay, I heard what else you said. So what now?
Okay. So if you don't want to consent to a search, that's fine. You have that right.
No.
We are going to obtain a search warrant.
We don't want
Okay,
that.
and that's fine. We'll go through that process. I think you know about how that works.
None of
So
that.
That's up to you.
We don't.
Okay, so I heard you say that too. So okay, now what though?
Well,
None of that.
we're gonna go to that part of it.
Excuse me?
We'll get to that part of it here in a second.
What do you mean? I don't.
I'm gonna detain everyone in here, and we're gonna go get a search warrant.
You
That's-
can't detain
It is
us.
how it works.
You don't
You
know
can't
me.
you can't detain
don't
tribal
even know me.
people.
Okay.
I'm the realest. What? Blum, 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 blum.
Why is there
You guys just heard this?
why is there so many people coming into my house?
They're saying that they're going to detain me.
I am not yelling. Why? I want to know why. I don't.
They're going to detain Tushkahumak Sheila.
Whether he's yelling or not, this is our home.
I understand.
Okay, this is tribal property. You cannot come onto tribal property. You can't.
You gotta have a warrant. You gotta have a warrant.
Okay.
No, gonna is past in future.
But I am the one for this house.
That's cool. You stay.
You will.
Stay. Stay. I'm gonna burn you this time, little lady.
Gang, gang,
I'm gonna burn you. For the past. Yo, no, you don't.
I'm out the blame.
No, you don't. Not now, you don't.
Everybody in this. I already told them. Now they think they gangsters.
There's no reason to take this situation.
And then you
Call Attorney General Fluker and let her know that we have a legal situation going on right here.
Viral, boy. You going viral, boy.
Okay.
Why is that? What is he? Don't get the tearing up.
Don't get the touch. Don't do that.
Y'all, that's
Don't
so
do that.
unnecessary.
Don't do that. Now don't touch that. That's Versace. Don't do that. You heard that. Versace. Don't touch that.
Until y'all can wait for whatever it is that y'all wait
First
for,
day of school.
I want y'all to wait outside of my house.
Man, you looking goofy.
You don't get to tell me what you want to do
Right
with
now
my
I do.
house. Why?
Because that's how.
You looking goofy.
That's how what
You
works.
looking lame as
Everybody
hell.
safe.
That's police
What do you
policy?
mean it keeps everybody safe?
Is that police policy?
No, it's not a
You can get all
policy.
that information later.
Oh no, I'm getting it right now. I'm getting it right now, brother. I'm getting it right now.
You looking real goofy.
Because you're acquiescing. You don't have the policy to even be inside this property right now, and you know that.
You're wrong.
And neither do you.
A thick ass
You don't have the policy.
with your freaky ass.
And this little lady, I'm gonna tear your ass out the frame, baby. Yep. You look like you got AIDS or something. You lost weight?
Skinny ass.
Does it make you feel better?
Man, shut your ass up. We don't want to hear that.
It makes me good to say whatever is on my
I
mind.
can. Flat out. Boy,
That's what makes you feel better.
It does.
fuck the fat bitches.
It does.
Yeah.
But she looks very
we
sickly
don't wanna hear that.
since the last time that we came in
I
contact,
don't want to hear that.
when she put her hands on me illegally,
What you doing?
and I just let it slide.
I heard the chair.
Man, don't know you ain't heard
You did what
that.
now?
Look at these.
I've got two pair of
goofy-ass
pants on,
fucks
baby.
you got on.
You interested in me? You interested in me?
That thick ass shit on
Why?
his neck, boy. This got a hickey on
What?
back of his neck.
I can't wear two pair of pants?
Hell. Like you,
Oh, so now you want to judge what I'm wearing?
you freaky as hell.
Yeah, you're damn right they are.
You have something you want to
Man, we don't want to hear none of that.
say?
You're envious.
Man, we don't want to show you nothing.
Be that way, boy.
And that's a weak ass heat you got on your head.
That name? What's your badge number?
I'm not trying to say for that.
Yes.
But
And that's a weak ass heat.
Because how can I talk
No,
to
the
you?
office is supposed to provide under the law. It's state law.
It's very
Okay.
difficult to convey a message.
All right.
We don't want to hear that.
What's your badge number, ma'am?
I don't
You know I do.
I don't want to keep
I'm gonna make it different.
Got you
I'm the
too.
realest nigga ever. I'm gonna make it different for you.
especially with your jurisdiction. You don't
See,
have any
you don't have jurisdiction.
over tribal people.
Showing the law right there to you.
You don't have any jurisdiction.
I'm wearing khaki pants with a blue shirt today, babe. We don't want to hear that
Do it all the
shit.
right way.
I'm sure you will.
If we're doing it all the right way, you've already violated our rights.
Well, that's your side of it, right?
There's not.
Get your ass out this.
What was that?
Don't know.
Hear that shit? And you next. You're next. Bean head ass.
I'm good now.
Flame your ass. You next. What you got to say for yourself? It's your first day, ain't it? Oh shit!
Don't touch me.
Hold
Hey,
on.
little lady, you
Hold
can't be walking up on my wife like that. What's the problem? What's the problem?
Hey, gangster. Your name,
You can go with
Miss
your motherfucking-
Lee. You better back the up.
You can do whatever you want.
Your name is Lee. And what your name is? Man, get your ass out. I don't want to hear that bullshit. Bald neck ass motherfucker. And you got the tightest scaly cap on ever.
No, it's
And your
okay.
teeth up too.
You let them know that you ran into Tushka Humak today again.
Nigga.
Little lady, I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, little lady. I'm gonna burn you out the frame.
Where is my son at?
It's okay. We're gonna deal with that
Where
immediately.
is my son?
You're holding a tribal citizen, and you've not communicated with the tribe.
Tribal sovereignty is not just a talking point. It is a distinct legal framework that limits state and local police authority on tribal land. When those officers entered that home without a warrant and without federal coordination, they were potentially stepping into a jurisdiction that was never theirs to begin with. And refusing consent to search on tribal property carries a different legal weight than refusing it anywhere else. So the argument being made inside that house was not just emotional, it had real legal foundation. If you think the police handled this situation incorrectly, leave a 5 in the comments.
Well, I'm out with 45.
43 volts in on you.
10.
Volts in if you stop.
10.
I'm allowing you to pat me down. So
Turn around and just face away from me. That's all I want, man. That's it.
this is my traffic stop. You understand that, right? This is my traffic stop. It's not
Is it
yours.
your traffic stop?
It is.
So you have blue lights?
I don't have anything
Stop
on.
turning around.
Don't put your
Don't
hands
turn
on
around
me.
me like that, man.
Don't put your.
Sir.
You just felt me down,
Sir.
man.
I wasn't done.
Listen.
You checked my
Hey,
pockets.
listen to me.
No,
Look,
I don't have
listen.
You stop talking
You
to me,
need to
please.
listen
It's
to
the
him.
traffic stop. It's his traffic stop.
You
Please
need
stop.
to listen to him and
You
comply to
patted
his
down my
instructions.
pockets. You
I
patted
just
down my
want to make
pockets.
sure
You
that
patted
you're
down.
not here to hurt me.
You just
That's it.
patted down my pockets where I had
That's
my
all I
hands
want.
in,
That's
and that's
fine.
what I allowed you to
But
do.
don't turn around
That's
on
what
me
I
like
allowed you
that.
to do. That's all right, man.
Okay.
Go write your ticket and let's move forward.
I
with
wasn't
this.
even going to write you a ticket.
Okay, well then let's do what we're gonna
Because
do.
I'm
and move.
kind.
I did. All I got out was to see that, and I put my hands in my pockets because it's cold.
I
You said
understand
don't. I said I can. I said you are allowed to pat me down if you
Okay.
like, right? Right?
did.
I did allow you to do all that,
And I
correct?
wasn't done with
Okay,
my pat down
but
yet.
you're only allowed to pat down the
No.
areas you're concerned about.
No, I'm only allowed to pat down from the outside.
Okay.
So your waistband,
Okay.
your outside
But my
pockets,
hands are in my pockets, so
your waistband,
do
your
you
outside
feel safe
pockets.
now? Do you feel safe?
I do.
Okay, then go back to your car and please finish your stop.
I
Please
absolutely
finish
will.
your stop.
I will.
Don't extend this. Please finish your stop.
Sir, you're
Extend
making
it.
it extended.
What do you
by your
mean?
not
You're
complying.
extending it by not going back there and handling what we need to do
Okay.
so I can be free on my way. You're extending your stop right now.
I'm not. I'm talking to you
I don't need to talk to you.
because you got out of your car.
Car to look at my tag, yes.
Okay. All
Yes,
right.
I did. I asked you when you were walking away, can I get out and look?
You did not.
I did, you just didn't respond to me. I
Okay.
yelled out the window. You didn't hear me. That's your, not mine.
That's fair.
Please handle your business so we can be allowed on our way.
Absolutely. Just hang out here then. Don't look.
I don't need you to give me directives, man. I don't need you to give me directives. Just get in your car and handle what you need to handle, please. Don't scowl at me like that. You work for me, buddy. Don't scowl at me. Oh, yeah, you do. You do. Who pays you?
Not you.
Who pays you?
Not you.
Who pays you?
Not you.
Who pays you?
Arkansas State Police.
Okay, well then that's who you get your money from. It's us citizens. So quit scowling at
Pay
us.
taxes too.
Okay, good for you. Pay your own check then. Because you
Okay.
work for us. So stop scowling, go back, do what you need to do, but quit looking at me like that. Because it's
And what?
rude.
And what?
It's rude.
The way you're talking to me is very rude.
No, it's not.
You pointing your finger in my face is rude. You not listening to my
Is your-
partner
is your
very
body
rude.
cam on?
Absolutely.
Good, good. Because
Yeah.
it's not rude that you're sitting here staring at me.
Oh, I'm not allowed to look at you?
I don't care if you look at me, you're staring me down trying to be a tough dude.
No, I'm
Quit.
not.
Yeah, you did. You walked up like a tough dude.
No, I did
Yeah,
not.
you did. Trying to tell me to quit talking and
Because
listen
you
to
were
him.
not listening to
don't,
him.
Well, don't talk. Don't.
This is a traffic stop.
Okay.
You're supposed to listen to our instructions.
I don't have to listen to your
Yes,
instructions.
you do.
No, I don't.
Absolutely.
I can go to jail for not listening to your instructions when they're lawful instructions. When they're not lawful instructions, I don't have to listen to them. So when you tell me to be quiet, you're telling me I don't have a First Amendment. So you need to figure out what you're doing.
No.
Yeah.
You know the law, right?
You know the law.
Do you know the law?
Do you know the law?
I'm asking you a
Do
question.
you know the law?
Absolutely.
Okay, then do your
I do it
job
for a
and do
living.
the law.
What do you think I'm doing?
Okay, move on, man. Quit
I'm here
staring
with
me
you.
down.
I'm here with you,
Quit
buddy.
staring me down.
No. I like the way you look.
Bully. I can guarantee you're a bully.
A bully?
I can feel it.
A bully?
Yeah?
What are you? What does that make
A citizen
you?
of the United States.
What does that make you?
A citizens of the United States of America. Can you please quit being so jumpy? You're scaring me how
you're
jumpy
scaring
you are
me.
with a gun on you, man.
You're scaring me.
Why did you jump so fast?
Because I don't know what you're about to do.
Pick up what I dropped.
Like,
man.
okay, and I was supposed to know that. Well, how? Can I read your mind?
You guys are a piece of work. You know
Hey,
that?
Benjamin.
So are you.
Here's this for you. All that is just a warning for the expired time of my proof of insurance, okay? For failure to present, alright?
So it's a ticket or a warning?
It's a warning.
Oh,
It's
okay.
not a ticket. You don't have a court date.
Thank you.
It does not show up on your record or anything like that. It's just saying
This
why
has an incident number on it?
No, because there's no incident here.
Will you stop?
There's a warning.
So there's a warning number
Yes.
will tie to you guys' body.
Correct.
And your names are all on it and all that. Walk through.
Correct.
Who's the other officer with you guys?
I don't know his name. I'm not at liberty to discuss it, sir.
Public figures
Take
don't
care.
tell.
Just like you, I don't answer questions. Do not walk up on my partner like that. Get in your car.
I'm not walking up on anybody. I'm walking
in your
across
car.
the parking lot, man.
I'm going to ask you one last time. Get in your car.
I don't have to leave, first of all. I don't have to leave. That's not a lawful
Okay.
order.
Well,
That's not a lawful order. I'm going to step back.
Step back.
That's not a lawful order.
Step back.
You gave me this. Once this is in, it's done.
Then when you
The traffic
approach
stop
another,
is-
when you
I didn't approach him. I walked that way.
There's no reason for you to walk towards our cars. There's guns in our cars.
Have fun. You just said you did. Remember, he just said he had a lawful right to tell me I couldn't walk up to the car. You guys are a piece of work. You don't know the law. You don't know the law. You just push your finger like you do. Push your finger like you do, but you guys don't know the law. None of you do. I've worked with you guys quite a bit now, and none of you know the law. You all think you know the law. I'm giving you a lawful order not to walk up on my car. I just walked up on your car. I just walked up on it, man. What's the lawful order? Where's your lawful order? See, I told you, there's no lawful order, is there? Where's the lawful order, man?
Will you give me a chance to explain it?
Go for it. Explain it.
Without, just stop right there.
I'll stop right here, so you'll say.
Okay.
Because you're pretty jumpy.
Okay. Allow me a chance to explain it, and don't interrupt me, okay? And I'll be polite about it. As long as you treat me with respect, I'll treat you with respect.
I did treat
okay?
you with respect. You walked up and started treating me without respect. From the start. We can go back. We'll watch it. It's all on video.
Okay. Are you gonna listen to me?
I'm just not going to let you tell me I didn't treat you with respect, because I did. I treated the other guy with respect.
Okay. We can agree to disagree.
No,
Whatever.
there's no disagree. It's all on video.
We can agree to
It's
disagree.
all on video. We don't have to disagree. It's all on video.
Okay. It's perfectly fine.
Yeah.
Are you done? Are you ready for me to explain
I've
it?
been waiting for you, man. Just start talking.
Okay.
Instead
So,
of playing.
my issue with the entire traffic stop, from the start, my partner over there, told you to turn around so he could pat you down, right? Because you got out of, listen, you can talk when I'm done, okay? He asked you to put your hands on the trunk of the vehicle there, okay, which you disobeyed, which that is a lawful order. Well, then go to law school.
When he tells me he's going to pat me down, but I offered him to pat me down.
No.
I offered. Yeah, I did.
It's not an option at that point.
It is an option at that point.
No, it's not. He's a lot nicer than I am.
Search the seizure.
Listen,
that is my right.
you're being seized once the blue lights are coming on.
You sure?
Yep.
Sure about that?
Absolutely.
You're sure?
100%.
And you can just pat me down for no reason.
He had a good reason to
What
pat
did
you
he have
down.
a reason? I had my hands in my pocket.
You stepped out of the vehicle.
I had my hands in my pocket.
You stepped out of the vehicle without him knowing, and started walking to his car. That's a sign. That's a sign of a threat.
No, it's not. No, it's not.
Okay.
You're threatened by someone walking to the back of their car. You need to get a different job.
No. That's not how it goes. That's not how it works.
Saying, if you're scared of somebody walking to the back of their car, then that's a threat. You need to get a different job.
No.
And words out of my
The
mouth.
facts are that you the facts stop. The facts
told me I didn't have either.
the facts
Here we go.
the facts of you getting out of the vehicle without being told to do so, we treat as a threat. Because we are unsure of why you're getting.
Stay in the car.
Do what?
You told me I had to stay in the car. What law says I have to stay in the car? What law says I have to stay in the car?
It's common knowledge, man.
It's not common knowledge.
Yeah, it
That's
is.
It's not a common law is what you're trying to use. And it's not common law.
I didn't say it was a law. I said it's common knowledge.
You don't have no right.
Unless I order you out of the car.
Laws. You only handle laws, sir. That's your job. You can't say my feelings. This is how I feel.
I don't disagree with you.
You have laws you abide by.
Correct.
You abide by your laws, not your feelings.
It's the state law.
It's
State law. State law. I'm not saying the state law says that you can't get out of your vehicle. But the fact that you got out free-willingly and started walking towards... We don't know.
Ask him right there. He's right there. Did I threaten him?
Now, I'm just telling you what it looks like.
Look at my license plate as soon as he looked up. So, like, there's no threat there, man.
Why are you being so... You're being so hard-headed.
Everybody get out.
You're being so hard-headed.
No, you don't want to listen. You just want to know what you think.
No.
You never want to say, hey, the public is right. Because you guys have such a bad ego thing that you're just always right. You are always right. Say it. I'm always right. Because that's how you feel. I know it. I see it in your face right now.
No.
You're smiling because you know.
No, I'm smiling because this is ridiculous.
When you go on a stop,
I'm smiling because this is ridiculous.
You're always right. What's ridiculous?
That's why there's their court system.
What's ridiculous is that your man just told me he had a lawful thing to tell me I couldn't walk around the cars, and I did, and nobody did anything. Because why? You guys don't have laws. You only go by laws, but you tell people a lot of bullshit to make them think you have more control than you do. Yeah, roll your eyes, man. Roll them. I love it. I love it, because you know what I'm talking about. You guys know you use lingo that makes you seem like you have more control than you do. Like, I'm giving you a lawful order, which isn't a lawful order. It just happened on a stop for a tag, man. A lawful order. A pat down where I got shoved against my truck because I turned around after he patted me down in my pockets where I allowed him to pat me down at. So don't give me this bullshit that you guys have all these rights, all these laws that you can tell me not to walk around a car, or not to get out, or not to stand here, or not to stand there. I can do whatever the I want. I'm a free American.
You are.
The only time you have something against me is when you can hand me that piece of paper or haul me to jail. So he handed it to me, and once that's done, it's done. You have no more rights. You can't tell me anything unless I'm breaking a law that the stop is over. It's court case. I can show
there is a court case. That there is a court case.
Handed the paperwork in, and then you tried to do something else, and it got thrown out of court because the traffic stop is over once you hand me the citation.
Unless there's some other probable cause.
Okay, what other probable cause do you have?
I'm not saying there was any.
Well, then don't give me directives. If I want to walk around the car, I fucking can walk around the car. That's what I'm saying. You don't have no laws to back that.
Okay, well, go home, lay your head on your bed, and sleep good tonight, okay?
What's that supposed to mean?
Just go home, lay your head on your pillow,
I'm not going
and
home.
sleep
I'm
well.
following you the rest of the day.
No, you won't, because then you will be arrested because that's harassment.
No, it's not.
Yes, it is.
Hey, you know what?
That's a lawful order.
It's
that's
my
a lawful
legal
order.
Right.
These officers initially stopped the man for a license plate issue and issued a warning, but then tried to push the encounter further than necessary. Each time they invoked a lawful order, he pushed back, because when you actually understand the law, unsupported commands don't carry much weight. You can see it on the second officer's face when he realizes the man isn't going to back down. At that point, the stop had already served its purpose. Once the warning was issued, the encounter should have ended, and effectively, that's when it did.
Get away from my house. I'll film it. F you. I got something for you.
He's not here.
Fuck you. I don't care what you got to warn. I don't give a what this man. Record this shit. He ain't got no. Get away from my door. Back up. You don't got no right to be here.
He's not in the house. Let us come inside.
Yeah, we ain't got no. Fuck you. We ain't got to let you come in.
Why are you
for
being
shit.
like that, man?
Because fuck you.
Because you guys are
man, fuck all that. Fuck all that, bro.
bro.
You ain't getting no play here, bro. I promise you. You ain't getting no play. Fuck you. Call the judge. Whoever you got to call, bitch. Get Grady here. Get your supervisor here. Fuck
Who's
that.
the black male in here?
Huh?
You
Bring the black male here, bitch, and I'll put everything in my pocket on it. Bitch, let's bet on it. Let's bet on it.
Okay.
Let's
I
bet
know
on
there's
it.
a black male.
I bet there ain't. Let's bet on it. And you ain't coming in to check. I bet that. Put him in the
This is
bedroom.
your house?
This is my house.
And don't tell him fuck that. We ain't got. This is his house. Come here.
We're gonna
Fuck
keep
that, bro.
coming.
Come on.
Well, then
Different
keep
hours,
coming because he's
times.
not
Oh
here.
well, you ain't seen him come in. I
So
guarantee
who's the
it.
black male here?
There ain't a black
He's
male
not
here. You're the only
here.
black male here. You're right. You're the only one here.
I'm telling you, TT.
Hey, you got me fucked up.
Stop coming to my fucking house and asking for TT.
He's not here.
Man, fuck
Don't
you.
come
Who
at
are
me
you?
like
You're
that.
on our
Your hand
property. Who
down.
are you?
Don't come.
You're a public servant, bitch. You're here to serve us.
No, you're not
Fuck you
coming
mean?
in.
We ain't
You
criminal
ain't going
shit.
in anywhere.
We ain't, fuck
Okay,
that.
so who's the black male?
Ain't
inside?
you.
Okay,
You make yourself
there's
look dumb. Get that shit on camera. Make that bitch look
Keep
dumb.
recording.
You got me
I know
fucked
there's a
up.
black male.
Make them. There ain't a black male here. F you.
I will
And you
put
ain't
my
coming
life
in,
on it. He
bitch.
is not
You can
here.
yell, you can
I don't
scream.
give a f. You ain't
curse,
coming in.
That's fine.
You ain't coming in, pussy boy. Then I'll stand on 10 toes about that shit. Fuck you.
Okay. What I'm telling you is we're not leaving.
Yeah, you are.
Somebody's here.
No.
You're leaving. Good night.
Okay. We're not leaving. That's
Yeah,
what
you
I'm
are.
telling you. So
Well, we're gonna stay
till
here all
we
night, I
figure out
guess.
who this black male is and
There
how.
is
You.
no black male
You.
here, I'm telling you.
Okay. Okay. And this is your house, right?
This is our house.
Okay. And you know everybody in the house.
I absolutely have a lot of them are my kids.
Tell them to get their motherfucking supervisor here. You don't gotta keep answering these fucking
Exactly.
public servants questions. We pay these motherfuckers. They ain't getting no play here. I guarantee it. You ain't getting no play here. Just gonna, I'ma stand on it. You. Y'all done came here 6 times. Ain't no black male here. Do your research. Stop pulling over trying to generate revenue. That's what y'all do. And I'll stand here all day. I got all day. Let's run it.
Well, let me ask you this. Let me ask you this.
If he's wrong, what they gonna do?
Let me
if he's
ask you
wrong?
this.
That's
What
y'all know,
precisely
pussy boy.
is it you're waiting
Man,
for?
fuck that. They want to turn up out. Turn this bitch
As
up
he
and down.
says.
Hold on.
TC
There's
is here.
nothing
They
you
said
can be
they
waiting
seen
on
him
that's
come
going
in.
to change the
I'm
outcome.
not calling supervisor. I want all the sheriffs. I want the real
Why
sheriff. Not
does
this
he
pussy
keep
ass
getting
chemical
let out?
cop. Not this rookie cop. Get the supervisor here. That got sense.
All right.
That has sense. We don't deal with
You're
no
more than
rookie,
welcome
man.
to call him. You got
Get
a
him
phone
here,
in your
please.
hand.
Get him the here. Get Grady himself here, please. I bet he knows more than both of y'all. You're gonna make yourself look dumb, is what you're about to do.
Okay.
Okay. I'm gonna file a complaint on your ass too, because I know how to
This is
do
the
all
fourth
that.
time.
You got a phone?
Fourth
in your hand?
time.
I do. And you're on record, so act retarded.
Okay.
Go ahead, act stupid. I want you to. I love it. Because you're going to be wrong in the end. I'm going to be right. I can stand up. That's all I can stand on. I'm going to be right in the end, homeboy. Can't do nothing about it. Dumbass. I know there's a black male here. Yeah, it's you. You're the only black male here, buddy. They're retarded. I don't get it. Knock on the door twice. That bitch, that's harassment at this point. You don't got to deal with them. Shut the door again. I should have never opened it again. That's how you do that. You leave the ass right out there knocking until their hand falls off. Yep, white male, uncooperative, ain't hearing none of that shit, ain't a criminal, don't give two what y'all got going on, none of that, buddy. Get your supervisor, please. Somebody that has more sense than both of y'all. We're tired of dealing with stupidity. Especially some Lake Hamilton cop. What the Where's Turner? Get super cock here. I'd rather deal with him. Sad.
10, 12 times 4.
No, times 1. Supervisor. I only want to talk to y'all. Get the supervisor here. But when y'all look dumb, I want to know what's going to happen. When y'all do it, if you do want to come in and you look dumb, what are you going to do about that?
Yeah, right.
What are you going to do about that
What
when
is
you
it
look
you're
dumb?
waiting on? What are you doing?
That's what I want to know, though.
Alan, hold on. I
We're not
can't
subjecting
even hear.
nothing. I'm not
What is it
subjecting
you
nothing.
think you're doing right now? What are you waiting on?
Okay. Listen to me. Okay. We have an officer in the back.
Good.
And what do you see? He did not see it. I bet. Let's bet on it, please. If you're wrong, what would you willing to put on it then? If you're wrong, let's come in right now.
Go get a
willing to
fucking
bet.
warrant. Go get a fucking warrant for the black guy that's in here.
Hey, watch
Get
out.
the-
Hey,
hey,
that's assault.
get-
That's
hey,
assault. No,
get-
that you get out of the way. You're stopping him from
Film
putting his house on
that.
his
Why are
property.
you holding? I'm shutting my door. Do you have a warrant?
If you hit him, you're going to jail.
I'm not going to hit him.
He needs to get out of the way. Why is he not getting off our property?
Do you have a warrant to enter my property?
I'm looking for somebody with a felony warrant.
Do you have a warrant to enter my property?
Where's the warrant?
Do you have a warrant to enter my property?
Where's the warrant?
What are you doing? Do you have a warrant to enter my property?
No, they don't,
If
obviously.
he's not here, you guys shouldn't have a problem with us.
It
coming
doesn't
inside
matter.
and
I
checking.
still have a right. Right? Do I have my rights or don't I?
Of course.
So do you have a warrant?
But if he is not here, listen.
All right. The way warrants work, you knock on doors with warrants. You're holding my door open with no warrant.
We're not touching.
Okay, I'm gonna shut it. We'll see you guys in a little bit when you figure this out. All right?
Move out the way.
Oh, hey.
Hey, get it on film. Get on film. They're f***ing him up. Film him.
Hey.
Film
Get your
him.
ass off it.
Film him. Call
Oh,
911.
no.
Okay, call
Call 911.
In the early hours of the night, in Lake Hamilton, Polk County, Florida, there was no warrant and no legal basis. Yet officers from the Polk County Sheriff's Office and Lake Hamilton Police blocked the door, made threats, and fabricated witness claims to force entry. The homeowner and the cameraman were arrested on 3 charges, but all of them were eventually dropped. That outcome is a clear sign that the legal system can still work when you understand your rights and are prepared to stand on them. The family has hired an attorney to pursue a civil lawsuit, a smart move. The Fourth Amendment exists to protect you, but only if you know how to use it. No warrant, no entry. Remember that, and always have legal counsel ready. We produce this video to share educational information that helps viewers understand their rights and respond calmly, and we do not promote confrontation.
Standing here, the police have invaded the property. I need all of my people to locate.
YouTube thinks you'll love the video on the screen. Click to watch now.
You're right. You're the only one here.
I'm telling you, keep your
Hey,
you got me
stop coming to my f***ing house.
Last but certainly not least, we extend our heartfelt thanks to the behind-the-scenes team who spent months making these videos possible.